Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome back to another session. This is, as we all know, this is our last session. Basically, the session 5 and session 6 are mixed uh, along with each other. So, for today's lecture, we have to know about the web hosting for free and then make your own chatbot. And last one is how you will sell your services. Basically, this is the agenda of our today's lecture. So let's start with the web hosting. By the end of this session, you will, inshallah, know and understand properly about this session, which focuses on the three powerful digital skills, basically the hosting your website for free, creating AI chatbots, and selling your services online. So you will learn how technology allows anyone to work, earn, and grow without large investments. This lecture connects technically knowledge and real earning opportunities. So first of all, we have what is web hosting and domain. So basically, web hosting is a service that stores your website files on the server and makes them available on the internet. Then everyone, with the help of the link, can access your file or your websites. And a domain is a name of the web address of your site, such as google.com is the domain of Google. When we will write the google.com, then server connects the data of the Google's website and then give to you. And hosting is like a house, and the domain is the address of that house. So this is the arrangement, like what is web hosting and what is domain. After that, we have the one free app, which is Infinity Free, which offers us to free web hosting. Infinity Free is a free web hosting platform ideal for students and beginners. It provides free server space, subdomains, PHP, and MySQL. PHP is basically, as we all know, this is the programming language which helps us to uh, which helps us to make the Dynamics website, and MySQL is the database which supports without requiring any payment or credit card. It is best for used for the practice portfolios and small projects. Also, it you will use it for the bigger projects. Let's first of all cover. Let me share my whole screen. Samir, please can you ask everyone to please keep the quiet. Is my screen visible?
Yes.
Okay. So here, first of all, you have to write the infinity free here, infinityfree.com. Then you have to register first of all and sign up with your Google account or any other accounts if you have. After that, after the login, you have to click on the create account, and then it. So you're doing loading. Okay. So here you can see the create now button here in infinity free, $0 forever. You have to create now. Click on create now. It is confirming. It takes some time. Let's cover the another screen first. After that, if you want that you need any your own domain like with your name and .com or .net etc., then you have to buy a domain name. Buying a domain name means registering the right to use a website name or for a specific period. Domain makes your website professional, trustworthy, and easy to remember. Common extensions like .com or .pk, .net, .edu, like this. Main websites which we use for our work, their common extensions are .com. However, the some educational or some universities buy extensions like .edu or .pk. However, some websites rely on .net domain. Then we have the buying domains and hosting from Google. Uh, this is the step-by-step process. Firstly, visit the Google domain and search for your desired domain. Then select an available domain extension, complete the payment and configuration DNS setting. Then Google give you domain which is secure, reliable, and beginners friendly. So this is the way you will able to get your own domain. So here you can see, here I have to write my subdomain, and here is the domain extension which it gives me for free. So these are the domains which is free for me. Here you have to write your website name only. As we know that we in previous session we have made our files for the restaurant. So here I am writing rest and choosing any one of the extension, free.nf. So my website's subdomain will be rest.free.nf. Then you have to click on the check availability. So domain is already in use, so rest in resto. Then again click on check availability. It is also not available. Rest. Now you have to remove website 4 from here. Only you have to label like this. You are on the domain with proper naming of your website, basically the account label. Then this is auto generated and auto generated passwords here, which you will see on your dashboard. After that, you have to select I approve. They will mail you if there will any problem with your account or something else. So it updates they updates you according to your with the help of your emails like that. Then you have to click on create account. So it will process your whole things. So here you can see my dashboard where my account details are: username is this, password is this, and then active status level and hosting plan which is free. If you want to upgrade it, you will able to upgrade. Then everything on that. After that, you have to click on the file manager button, where websites will redirecting you to the file manager, where you have to drop all your files of the website you have made. manager, and this is the folder where my all the files of previous session content. Basically, we have made these files in our previous sessions. These are my files of static website only. So first of all, we have to upload these. Here you have to open the htdocs. In htdocs you will see index.html index2.html file. You have to click on it and delete it. And here is another file. You have to click on it and also delete it too. Then you will have to click on the upload button, files, and from here you will choose your files. Lagging from my side. Okay, so here you have to find where are your files on desktop in Gen AI folder. These are my files. You have to select all of these and click on open. And here 4 files are selected. You have to upload files. Click on upload files. Then it will upload all of your files. Then here you can see index.html, about.html, menu.html, and our css file. After that you have to go back and refresh this page. Then you have to click on another bar. Here I am writing my website name, which is res.free.nf. res.free.nf. And I am clicking on enter. This is basically my website link. So here you can see it redirect everything to the my page, and here is our home button, then our menu, and at the end we have the about section too, and here is our WhatsApp button. So this is our website and we host it perfectly. Now we have to check how we will upload the dynamic files, means dynamic website. So this is my first account. After that you have to go to the home, and here you have to create another account for your another website. Then same process, click on the create now. So let me check my dynamic file, which is in the htdocs, and this is my dynamic website pages. Basically this is the fees management system of any school. Here you can see everything, and this is basically db. This is db.php, which connects our database and our website with each other. So let's verify. Recreated. Then I have to write mentor, and I am choosing page.gd. So checking my availability, so it's not okay. Mentos. So then you have to remove website for and click on I approve, then create a account. So it will redirect to you to your page. Then you have to create on file manager. Same, you have to click on htdocs and click on all files already uploaded and delete it. Okay, then you have to upload your main files. Okay, so you can see everything in htdocs, and this is basically the files. I want to upload here 13 files, and then you have to click on upload files. You can see these are 3 of my files here. After that, you have to go back and click on the basically website builder app, and after that you have to check your site, but we have to connect the database first. You have to click on the control panel you see here. Before that we have to start exam. Okay, let's refresh it. I approve. I approve. Okay, so it will redirect me to the basically control panel page. Here you have to find basically php my admin. Before that you have to open mysql. Here you have to write your school's name, like your website name. Mentos is my website's name, and click on create database. It will create your database here. Okay, and here I want to open exam folder for checking or exporting the SQL database exam. As we discussed in our previous session, what exam is and why we use it. So this is the exam control panel. It's lagging because my here is the app. That's it. It's lagging. Let's okay. So you have to first click on the admin. I'm just shocked by my exam folder is not working. Okay, so it's working now. Is my screen visible? Hello, am I audible? Or is my screen visible?
Can you please control the noise in the background, please?
Okay, sure, sir. Sorry.
Uh, I'm saying, please, if you can control the noise in the background.
Yeah, sure, sir. Is it okay now, sir? So,
No, no, still the voice is coming from the background. Some kids are talking, I guess.
Please give me a minute, please.
Please, please.
Okay, sorry for the disturbance, sir. Okay, first, then we have to start our exam control panel. First of all, you have to start Apache. When it will turns in green color, then you have to start the SQL button too. Let me try it again. Apache. Then SQL. Leave it. Okay, so here we have to call the local host from where we will take our SQL code. Basically, we will export our all data from our local host and paste it to our real website by exporting and importing. Then you have to click on PHP My Admin button. Localhost. PHP. Let's wait for it. Hmm. Okay, from when you will click it, you will see the interface like that. So there you have to copy by using the export button. You have to export your data from the exam folder, and after that uh, they will ask it will ask the folder name. Then you have to write mentors there, basically your website's name, and you have to click on the export button. After that, when the file will upload, basically import successfully in your files or folder, you have to click on import in your basically the interface of the Infinity Free website. Then you have to import by choosing the file from here, and you have to click on that file and click on open. After that, you have to click on the go button. This is the process to export or import your basically database. Also, I will provide I am not uh, okay, it's working now. So basically this is my websites. You have to first uh, find your website's database. My website's database is mentor fees. it is we didn't need file manager. After clicking on the interface, you have to export like that, and you have to import here. Then you have to click on the go for importing it. Then you will see the things here. Now you have to add these data to your main page, which is on file manager. Basically here you have to connect your database with your official website. So here you can see db, basically database.php file, which connects your database and your website. Here you have to find the database file. Let's remove it and click it. Here in htdocs, here you can see db.php. You have to click on it and you have to click on edit. So you see everything here. Now in localhost, you have to replace basically the hosting area, which is the this host name. You have to copy it and you have to paste it here by using control V. Then you have the root is basically the password. uh, no Root is basically the database, this user's name. You have to copy it and paste it here and control save. After that you have to replace the password here. Here you can see your password. You have to copy it from here and paste it here. Then this is the database name, and my database name is this, and you have to paste here. After that you have to save and close. Click on save and close. So after that your website is totally fine, means it will works inshallah. By using this domain you will see my website, able to see my website. Okay, page.g. So this is the process. You have to connect your database with your real website. uh, it is not working because I have not exported or imported any of my SQL here, that's why. So after that we have the next slide, which is about the chatbot. What is chatbot? Basically chatbot is a software application that automatically communicates with users. Chatbots can be rule based or AI powered and are commonly used in customer support, education and businesses. They improve users experience and save time, like ChatGPT. So our next session is about to develop our own chatbot. Before that, we have to cover what is API. As we already know, API stands for the Application Programming Interface, and also I have given example like waiter and customer and chef, and the API works like a API works like a waiter. It takes order from the customer, which is basically the user, and then go back to the chef, which is basically the server, and collect all the data and give back to the our customers. After that, for API, we will use the Grok, basically the website from where you can make your own API. Grok is a high-performance AI interface platform where every developers will take APIs from there. It allows the developers to run large AI models very fast. Also, Grok is commonly used for the chatbots and AI based applications. And then also we will use the Gradio and Streamlit. Basically, these are also the websites or software where there uh, already pre-made databases, pre-made softwares are located. We will use it for front end. Gradio is used to quick build simple interfaces for AI models. Also, Streamlit is also used to create professional interactive web apps using Python. Both convert Python code into user interface friendly interface, basically UI friendly. Uh, till this, here you can see our website. It is working. Okay, so our lecture of free hosting is end. Now we have to make our own API. You have to check for Grok and you have to follow the Grok fast. Okay, already there is my signed in. Let me check my another format. Okay, so here this is for the Grok. In Grok website, first of all you have to register yourself for making your own API keys. Here you can see I have made yesterday API key for my any any of my project which is related to the web servers and web applications. You have to click on create API key and you have to place the name, basically the display name. I am writing here the session, and you are able to check the expiry dates. I am clicking on no expiry because I don't want any expiry of date. So basically it's after that. Here you will see your create button, but due to internet issues or lagging, okay, it's verifying first. Let it verify. After verifying, it will shows the create button there. Mhm. Okay, so here we have to session, no expiry, and submit. After submit, you will see your Grok API basically there, and please don't share your API with another else. It is taking some time. Till that, we have to prepare our ChatGPT and Google Colab. ChatGPT, and we will use Google Colab 2 for programming. This is ChatGPT, and here is our Google Colab. Okay, so this is our API. You have to copy it because if you will click on the done button, no any other options there to copy your Grok API again. So you have to copy it as it will not available again. Okay, wait. First of all, I have to copy. Let's check. It's not copied here from here. Copy, copy, copy. Okay, so it's copied. I am. This is my Grok API's key. So here you have to write this prompt. Basically, as we already know about the prompting. Uh, okay, so basically prompt is an instruction given to the AI models. Then we have also the example for this purpose. Basically, you have to write the create an AI chatbot, where you have to create an AI chatbot using the Python programming language in Google Colab with Grok API and use Gradio as a front end. This is basically the prompt, and with the 7 C's. And as we know that the good prompt helps control the chatbot behavior and response quality, etc. So from Grok we have received our API key. Now we have to make our website. Here you have to write this prompt. Hey GPT, you have to create chatbot by using this Grok API key and use Gradio as front end. You have to give me the Python code for my chatbot, which I will paste on Google Colab. Basically, you have to use Grok API Gradio as front end and Python code for Google Colab. So this is our prompt for making uh, the chatbot. Okay, so it will reads everything and give you these codes. Basically, this is the three-step code. There are three files. You have to paste one by one. Let's check with Google Colab first. New notebook. I'm closing myself, and then here Untitled Colab. Okay, so first of all, you have to copy your first program and you have to paste it here. Here you can see you have to paste your Gradio API key here. It so you have to copy it your Grok API key and you have to paste it here. Uh, mm, Paste it here. After that, you have to copy second one code and click on the code and paste it here. Again, you have to click on code and you have to paste third one code there. This is basically now you have to first of all click on the first button here. It will process and import the Grok API keys and everything, every required documents online. Okay, so you have checked their tick mark, then you have to click second program, which is basically pip install Grok API Grok Gradio. It will okay, so it's successfully installed. Now you have to run last file. It's running. Okay. So here you can see the link. It is providing me a link. When you will click it, you will see your AI chatbot there. This is the live your chatbot. So here you can see everything. This is your chatbot you have made by using Grok API and etc. So if you want to remove these things from here, or you have to use your uh, own things, then you have to check these prompts. You have to write uh, powered by mentor like that, and also replace the title mentors GPT. So now I am running it again and clicking on the new link. Now here you will see mentors GPT and powered by mentor. This is basically chatbot, and you will ask any question from it, like what day is today. No, it's so very basic. Okay, what is programming language? It will answer you everything, inshallah. Okay, it gives me error due to some reason. Let's check what happening. Uh, okay, 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 and then if you see any error, don't worry about it. As usual, every professionals also get these things, so don't worry about that. You have to again code back here and write. mm, it gives me an error. Please give me updated one code. So it will update the whole code for you. So okay, grok API key. Okay, grok API key radio, and then assistants helpfully launch the public here launch. Okay, so again replacing the whole content, and this one program, and I have to place it here, and first one program here. Again I have to copy my thing, and I have to paste it here. Then you have to again run one by one all the files. Okay, after that run the last one. If you will get any error, you have to runtime error. Okay, the radio is giving runtime error. you'll see your output here. It will provide you a link, and you have to check the link. You then also you have to deploy this link by using online platforms, etc. So basically this is the pattern. You will able to make your own API, then your own chatbot. Right now it is not working with some reasons, but inshallah in your interface it will work, because I have prepared everything day before. So after that we have the freelance session. Basically how you will make, how you will sell your everything like projects, your skills, your services online. So first of all we have what is freelancing. Freelancing means the working independently and selling skills online with your on your own time, on your own preference, etc. Freelancers choose clients project and working hours independently, so it provides flexibility and global earning opportunities. So in freelancing, first learn a skill and practice it well, as it is the basic, and then you have to build a portfolio. Any website, now you will, I think, able to make your own website, portfolio website, create your profile on any platforms and communicate professionally. Then clients pay for solution, not just skills. So in freelancing, there are many types of uh, ways you will get paid, like by hour method, by weekly method, by monthly method. Everything means clients will pay you by hour, like five you $20 per hour. If you will make like this you will make your uh, profile like these methods. Also client will pay you according to your project, like per project is based on $50, like that concept. And clients also will pay you with weekly, so everything based on you. You will place your project details on your profiles, etc. Clients will search and they get back to you, and they will order or help, get help from you for you. They will basically get the order from, uh, give you order, and you have to control all the order, and you have to submit the project on time. So first of all we have the Fiverr platform, which is basically the freelancing platform where services are offered as gig. It is a beginner friendly and does not require any bidding, means any rupees, or it's totally free. So first, best for quick projects and new freelancers, we have to take a look. So I'm closing these things, and Fiverr. Let's check or take a look. Okay, so I'm closing these things. And I'm writing Fiverr. Wait, okay. So let's check on another platform. Today my laptop is lagging because I am making video and on video call. That's why. Let's check the first, complete the PPT. First of all, we have the Fiverr platform. We will search about it, inshallah. Then we have the Upwork. Upwork is professional freelancing platform based on proposals. Means you have to biting, means invest something, and then Upwork search clients for you and get back to you. clients post jobs. There also is free work like clients job post the jobs and freelancers can apply. Also, it is best for long term and high pay projects. Then we have the social media. On social media, freelancing is being means in on social media. Every freelancer should be there, like platforms like Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, YouTube. They all platforms helps to promote our services. Basically, sharing work samples and educational contents build trust. Also, social media acts as free marketing. uh, Here is the basically software which is basic Canva, from where you will able to make any post according to your freelancing and your services for free, and you have to upload on social media. When clients any profession will see your post, if they will need any thing like you have made any post related to the logo designing or website designing, and anybody will see your post according to the web designing, they will contact you, inshallah. So here you have to write website services post. Here you can see it will gives you many posts. Only you have to open it and change the details like contact details or any of these details. uh, Everything is out class, and every designs are powerful to means eye catching. You have to click any one of the designs and you have to customize this template. Clicking on customize this template, then you have to only change the details. If you want to change coloring and other designing, you are able to do it, but I suggest that which designs are already have been made, you only have to change your details like your contact details, your address, your email, and your website link, etc. So this is basically the post, and you have to only adjust number here and your website, anything like that. And you have to click on the, if you want to change the file name like post one, so you able to do it. After that you have to click on share, and here you can see download option, and there are so many options like download in PNG format, JPG format, PDF format, everything. And after selecting, you have to click on download. So it downloads your file in downloading file. Here you can see uploading is done. And this this is the type, uh, means you have to create your posts related to the web designing, generative AI, and other services which you have, and you have to post it on social media. Basically, social media on social media there are so many professions like shop manager and shopkeeper, any saloons girl, like that. All professions are there. So anyone will see your design and your post, and if they see you are able to work, means they love your designs and your post, then they exactly basically they contact you. So this is the process. And which my recommendation is that you also have to take a look of LinkedIn. LinkedIn is the professional networking platform. It helps to connect with businesses, clients, and requirements. It is ideal for professional branding, etc. I am also using the LinkedIn for contacting with my clients, my other friends, and they basically gives me the orders by using the LinkedIn. Also, how you will sell your services on LinkedIn: basically create a strong professional profile and headings, headlines, etc. You have to upload your CVs, your previous works there. Then you have to share valuable content and connect with potential clients. uh, there you can see any professional businesses, any manager, everyone are there basically on LinkedIn, because LinkedIn is a professional platform where everyone engaged, and it also provides consistency and professionalism lead to success. So we have to okay, we have done with the Canva, what Canva is, and social media post. Then we have to cover the Fiverr and Upwork first. Fiverr and Upwork. These two are basically, there are high talented freelancers, and there are so many uh, services are there. Here you can see Fiverr. This is basically the freelancers website. Then you have to first of all join and or become as a seller. You have to create your seller profile. You will see details here, means services here, like programming and tech, graphic and design, digital marketing, writing and translating, everything here. Also, here you can see if I am writing here the web developer. Also, here is the Upwork. So in Fiverr you have to see web developer. There are so many web developers, and here you can see the pricing: 35,000 PKR and 23,000 PKR, 27,000 PKR. Also, in at their profiles you can see the other details. Basically, the basic package is 35,000, is about the PKR 5, which delivers in 3 days and unlimited revisions. Then in a standard there is 1 lakh 2,000 something, and in premium you can see 1 lakh 91,000, which is basically about the 2 lakhs or 2 millions. So this is the profile of someone which offers, and here is the gigs detail. Gig is basically the profile. You will able to make only six profiles at a time, like means six profiles. Then you have to upload videos or posts. You can use Canva for making these types of posts. Then you have to, about the gig, you this is basically the description. You have to copy it and give it to ChatGPT, and yeah, so ChatGPT will give you the exact and outreach description for your profiles too. So this is basically the Fiverr's detail. Now we have the Upwork. There are two things in Upwork, means two sections. First one is you have to invest some rupees and buy purchase bindings, and through bindings you will search about your clients, etc. And second one is clients upload the basically jobs here, and you will find the jobs and you have to apply on it. So this is the process. So it is not free, but if you will uh, like searching for any job, etc., you have to continue with Upwork. Here is the same process. You have to first of all sign up, and you have to apply it as talent. After that, we have LinkedIn. LinkedIn also is like a social media platform, and also like Upwork means in on LinkedIn. Let's see, on LinkedIn, companies will companies always post jobs, and you have to apply, or you have to use it by uploading your post and searching for clients, etc. Also, you there you are able to connect with and other clients and other of your friends. So this is the main interface of LinkedIn. So my recommendations are that have to uh, you have to start from LinkedIn. LinkedIn basically the high professional software which helps anybody to keep work professional. So this is the basic software, but it is professional because all the individuals professions are there on that platform. Okay, it is LinkedIn. LinkedIn. Okay. So this is the main interface of LinkedIn. So here you can see, if you want to post any video, any photos, any articles, you also here from here you have to uh, check your networks and also the jobs. Also you have there are many things you have to follow. This is the basically the main interface. If I am searching anything like graphic designer here, okay, web developer, you can see all the developers post, and developers will be seen here. So here you can see jobs, posts. Also, if you want to follow, or like this is the Gmail, like this, see this uh, career ads also promoting the hiring schedules. They need web developers as a freelancer. They are hiring. Please send your resume to the studio karaiarts@gmail.com. You have to you have in Canva. You will able to also means create your own resume. Basically, Canva used for any type of designing, graphic designing. Basically, this is the software from where I also used it for many of my designs, projects, etc. There, from there, you able to check making resume, CV, and posters, flyers, brochures, etc. Everything you see available there. Then this is another post: exciting remote jobs opportunity in web development and digital marketing. So this is your choice. If you are see, here is the post: looking for a web developer and pay rate $800 per project. So you will see the post everything like that from here. If you want to contact with them, or clients also will reach to you by your with the help of your post. If you will post on LinkedIn, also you have to keep your profile updated by uploading resume or post etc, or filling uh, professional details, everything. So here you can see resume. Here you can see everything: educational presentation, worksheet, documents, email, educational website, poster, videos, whiteboard, sheets, everything. Educational flyers, flashcard, brochures, resume, invitation, photo collect, certificates, business cards, everything you will able to make from here. This is basically the free website. Something means some posts are for paid version like this. This is the premium version, but I have buy these products, so it means I have professional premium version. That's why I am able to click or edit any of the post. But these all are for free, where you will see the edu and hat, like scholarship hat. These are the paid versions, but where nothing is there, these are basically the free versions. So here you can see a professional post, which are free of costs. So this is basically the our main agenda of that meeting. Again, I am reviewing my all points one by one. First of all, we have see about what is the hosting and what are the domains, how you will buy your domain, or if how you will use Infinity Free for your web hosting for free. Also, we have a check about the chatbot by using API Grok, and use also used Gradio and Streamlit. Streamlit and Gradio basically two websites which used for the front end development. ChatGPT, here you can see. Okay, please tell us about the Streamlit and Gradio websites. Okay, so here you can see Streamlit is an open source Python framework used to build interactive web applications for data science, AI, and machine learning without needing any HTML or CSS or JavaScript for front end. Purpose of Streamlit is turn Python scripts into web applications used mainly by data scientists, AI engineers, and machine learning developers. Also best for the dashboard, data visuals, and machine learning projects. Key features are the pure Python based, very easy and fast, live reload, where changes appears instantly. Also supports the charts, tables, images, and models. Also integrates well with Pandas, NumPy, Mat- Matplotlib, also Plotly, and TensorFlow. These are basically the libraries of the Python. And example uses case like student result dashboard, data analysis project, machine learning models demos, and AI chatbots. for basic UI, basically user interface, and then also hosting. Free hosting on Streamlit, basically the community cloud, can also deploy on server like AWS and Azure, etc. However, Gradio is a Python library used to create simple web interfaces for AI models, especially chatbots, image generators, and APIs. Purpose of Gradio is basically the quickly test and demo AI models, share models via browser links, also perfect for chatbots and machine learning demos, where key features update are minimal code, built-in user interface components like text box, chat GTP, and image uploading, like these things. Uh, वह क्लास में आप हाँ sorry for the disturbance. uh, Excused. Okay, so also we have the easy API integration, work well with Hugging Face, OpenAI, Grok, etc. Also shareable public links, and our examples of uses case are AI chatbots, image classification, apps, text summarizations, voice and speech demos. Also, it holds via Hugging Face spaces. Oh, acha, oh, sorry. Also, we have the Hugging Face for deployment. Means you will able to deploy your websites or anything on Hugging Face. It's local hosting on PC and cloud deployment possibility. Here are the basically comparison on Streamlit and Gradio languages. Both are Python. Best for this is Streamlit is basically best for dashboard and data apps. However, Gradio is best for AI and chatbots. User interface control more customizable on Streamlit. However, very simple at Gradio. Learning curves is easy in Streamlit, and Gradio have more easy than Streamlit. Then AI model demos, Streamlit are good. However, the Gradios provides the excellent AI demos, and hosting through Streamlit have Streamlit's on cloud. However, Gradio will deploy on the Hugging Face. This is basically the about the Gradio and Streamlit. This is all from my side. If anyone have any question, please ask. Is there any question?